good morning, good evening, or even good night, my friends. This is Uncle speaking, and welcome back in the new video. And yeah, you remember what? The last time it was raining, it was torrential rain, and today we are in the middle of nowhere, actually doing shortcuts. Again, problems with Lucas navigation. Do you remember last time we landed on the cemetery? And this time we are basically here. When Waze thinks actually that is the best, fastest route. Weird that is, and that's why I don't like Waze, but he does. Anyways, it's a good protection from speed cameras, so that's probably why it's good. This way or another, it's not raining, as you can see, which is brilliant, and we are going back to Pyrenees. We don't have any exact plans, because actually the only plan is to avoid Picos de Europa because it's raining and it will stay like that. Except the Picos, it's raining on the seaside, so we are actually going south at the moment, and we will avoid those areas. I marked few good spots to visit on the map, and that should be brilliant. And we will stick to that. In the first of those, we will make the decision what to do next. We will see the up-to-date forecast, and then we will make the decisions. I think it sounds right. Right? So with no further ado, let's do just that. In the meantime, let's take a look on a map. And right now you can see we are avoiding the main roads, but soon we will jump on the main road to go slightly faster, because we find out it's kinda wet here, and the rain could come in a second, and it still looks worrisome like yesterday, so we decided to jump on the faster roads and get down there with some speed. Ish. I don't know about you, but I actually prefer the curvy roads rather than straight ones. What do you reckon? But actually, those straight roads here, they are pretty cool, aren't they? And they've got some impressive graffiti here. And you see those dots on the camera? It means I was right that we need to be faster. Well, that's kind of place. And now we are approaching our first destination, which is so far brilliant, I have to say. But let's just wait for that. Yeah? What you reckon? Let's just stop here for a few pictures. Takie może być plus, nie? O, tu jest jeszcze dróżka tędy po schodkach, możesz sobie pójść nad rzeczkę, nad wodospadzik. Przepraszam, czy chce pan pojechać na El Mirador? No, to trudno. No Mirador, no. Well, I can clearly see that my friend was in love in the place. So many emotions. But yeah, deep inside, he was really enjoying that. That's what she said. With all fairness, I have to say, this place is really brilliant. You can't say no to that. If I would only remember to clean my camera at every stop. Good morning. And right now, at this very moment, I wanted to tell you about something. Actually, as you've seen, my friend was a bit, yeah, maybe not really happy at the moment. And that's because he was hungry. And mostly when he is hungry, he is in a rush and he wants to eat something. And he should be a role model for sneakers advertising, when basically he needs to eat something to be himself. Unfortunately though, we had another spot to visit, which we approached right now. Fortunately though, it was so wonderful that even my friend forgot about the food, which is unusual. And he, being braver than me, he decided to go off-road first. But eventually, yeah, I thought that's a good idea. And I did a step more. And that was brilliant. Just look at that. What an amazing place. And I mean it. Well, turning back here was a bit scary. At least for an off-road moron like myself. We parked the bikes here. And yeah, there is a road down there. And the question is, should we go up there? Because there are another mountains which you cannot see right now, but they are somewhere there on that line, and that's south. But up there is Santander and it's north. Anyways, we decided to throw a coin again. Should we go north or south? So let's do that.
South heads and
yes.
North tails.
Yeah. We are going, look at that. There. Exactly. Somewhere there. And it means down south to another mountains. Brilliant. Okay, that's a brilliant spot, but it's time to go. And look at that! What? Would you take your house furniture off-roading? I bet you wouldn't. But never mind that, because we are going down the hill right now, and let's enjoy the last piece of the mountains for a while. And now let's take a look on a map. Where are we going? We are going down south to those places down there, yeah. And yes, my friends, this is the end of that episode, but we will continue our ride for that day in the next one. And in the next one there will be loads of cool things, but there will be also food, which will be brilliant. And there will be many more things. So stay with us and see you next time. If you enjoyed that, you can buy me a beer, the link is down below, and you can subscribe to the channel and whatnot. Cheers!